Good morning, class. Miss D here. Today we're going to learn how to select columns and rows in a table, how to change widths, how to make your table more readable, how to sort your data in ascending order, and also how to align your table and how to align your text. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I want you to know that your columns are vertically aligned, okay? So these are your columns. Last is your column, first is your column, company is your column, and date of placement is your column. Your rows are horizontally aligned, okay? So Carol is in a row. So your rows are going from left to right and your columns are going up and down. Maybe that's an easier way to say it and to remember it. So I want you to know that. Also, you see this Table Tools tab and Design Layout tab. If you double click in the white area of your document, you will not see those particular tabs. So if you, for some reason, don't see those particular tabs, just make sure that you're clicking inside of your table. And then those tabs will appear. The Table Tools tab and your Design and Layout tab. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, we're going to click on our Layout tab. Okay, and we want to select the date of placement column. So we're going to the tables group, the table group, and click on the command select and click on select column so that we can select this entire column. We're going to change the width. This width should be 1.3. So I already have it. I already have my width at 1.3. So I'm just going to make it 1.5 so you can see the demonstration. So this width now is 1.5. And I'm going to click out into my white area to deselect that particular column. I want to change the column, the first column. So I'm going to put my insertion mark in the first column. I'm going to go to the tables group. I'm going to click on the select command. I'm going to click on select column. And let's just pretend that I want this column to be 1.6. So I'm going to go in my cell size group and click on 1.6 to change the size of the column. Then I'm going to click out in the white area to deselect the column. Now I want to make this table a little bit more readable. So I'm going to click on the Design tab in my Table Tools tab, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Header Row. When I select Header Row, it displays special formatting so that it's easier for someone to read my table. And I'm going to also select banded rows for the same reason. I'm going to click on the More button, and I'm looking for the medium shading 1, accent 1. And I believe it is this particular one. So if you put your mouse over top of any of these built-in tables, you'll see the names will appear. So again, I'm looking for medium shading 1, accent 1, and this is it. So I'm going to click on that particular one. And you see that this is easier to read. Now what I want to do is I want to center my heading. So I'm going to click on Layout tab. Okay, I'm going to click in my first row. I'm going to go to the tables group and click on the command select. I want to select the entire row, so I'm click on select row. And what I want to do is center this information, this text that's in this row. So I'm going to my alignment group and I'm going to click on align center. In the data align center, I'm clicking out into the white area in order to deselect. And I'll see you in the next video.